Observed dengue day. So what do you want to say about it?
See, today's day is very important because it is a national day. And as far as Panjim is concerned, Corporation of City of Panji has to take a major role in this. Of course, today's program was done more for the housing societies, for the nodal officers, and with a focus on the community. But I think time has come now that the newly elected CCP councillors, of course, separate program will be done by Urban Health Center for them. But I think they have to take the lead because, see, in housing societies, as rightly pointed out by the doctors of Urban Health Center, the housing societies need to be approached. So if every councillor will take a meeting of the representative of housing societies of in Panji area, it will have a big impact. And particularly if they can do it in this monsoon season. Simple thing, sir. But the message today of a clean,
Committee
cover and check and these three C's mundate. This can be taken up by the councillors, and whatever assistance they want, they can definitely take it from the Urban Health Center. And my hope is that Honorable Mayor Mr. Mansarat can take the lead together with the commissioner. That if each of the wards can be tackled on a fortnightly basis or weekly basis, we can cover all the wards of Panjim area in one go. This could be a strong message for 2026 that to declare Panjim as a dengue-free city. This would be my message for the Panjim area today.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.